Hello guys, here we have an HP with broken hinges. Let me show you what we have, so you can see this side is broken. Anyway, in this case, you know what you do, right? You can't fix these hinges. The only thing that you need to do in this case, in this matter, you need to close the laptop completely, and then flip the cover, remove the battery. But before I continue, I want to show you something. I have another cover. Hope you can see. This is a nice fresh cover. It's clean, neat. I'll be using this one. Alright, let's go ahead. Open the screws underneath. Alright, there's no screw there. Let's check here. Okay, here we have a screw. Oh, no screw. But here, how come there's no screw? And yeah, there's no screw there. Okay, so now what you do, you need a ply tool. Anyway, you can see someone tried to repair these hinges before. Not even try, they did. They did repair these hinges before. So now what we need to do, you remove a string. You place the string aside. The string is out. And now the problem is here. What exactly are we doing here? Oh shit, this is bad. This is bad. Let's put back the speaker. Wait, hold on. We have to put this, the USB port. Connect the cable first. You lock. Put it back in. Right, and then alright, so now let's take this aside. This is what we need, a broken cover. Hope you can see. So you open the whole thing. All right, here they use the glue. So what you do, you can use your apply tool. Right. Now, what do you need? You need a flat small screwdriver. I'm gonna use this one. Flat small screwdriver. But first, before you use it, you have to remove the screws. Remove the screws. Remove this. Oh, anyway, don't worry about that. Let's just remove the string. Now I remember why we shouldn't worry about that. You will see where we will be using a flat screwdriver. Okay, this is out. This is where you need a flat screwdriver. Able to remove these cables. One is for antenna, and another one is for a camera. You remove both cables. All right. Okay, this is going out. As you can see, it's broken. We'll be using this one. Okay, since I don't trust this cable, okay, for Wi-Fi we need this antenna out. You know why? Because this side is broken. Okay, and the camera, we don't need this camera, this cable. We have our own cable. Let's use our own cable. Let's start with antenna. The antenna has been connected. Right. So this is how you connect an antenna. Then here we don't want this. What is this? Okay, let me explain why the hinges broke up. But first, this is what you need to do. You hold one side, and then on the other side you remove the screw. Trying to remove the screw. Okay, before we damage our screwdriver, Let's use a correct screwdriver, which is a star. I'm gonna use a star here. Okay, now you can see separated the two. Now let's separate this one. Not sure if you can see this one. This one is need to be separated as well. You hold and then you unscrew on the other side. Yeah, boy. I want to show you how to fix the hinge proper. I've seen a lot of people doing shitty job. So today I feel like I should show you how to repair hinges. Okay, this is what you need. You see this thing here, you need this. This is so important. This. Okay, and what else? You need this. Connect this to that. There we go. This is so important for your hinges. And then connect this to this. Then you unscrew. It's very hard, so I normally use this. Pull it against you like this. And then you test the hinge. Now the hinge is loose. See, the hinge is now loose. Okay, you put it to one side. Let's check another one. You feel it first. I'm telling you, this was bad. But first, we have to remove all these screws. You unscrew this. Because guys, remember why the hinges broke, right? They broke because they are stuck. This lever thing can't move. So that's why it's so important for you to make it loose again. Because if it's still stuck and hard, I'm telling you, no matter what you are using, the hinge will break again. So the tricky here is not about just replacing the hinge, but also about making the thing loose. Okay, this is out. Okay. Even rusty. I can't even move this. Yeah. It's hard. Yeah. Ha. The hinge is so hard. Yeah. Damn. So what you need this. Put it in. And then shove it in. Then once it's in, pull it against you. Yeah, now let's try. Able. Now it's loose. Let's make it loose a little bit, not too much, because if it's too much, the laptop won't be able to sit proper. So it needs to be loose, but not too much loose. Let me see. Okay, this is fine. Now let's get into it. Still need your star, your flat. You need your flat screwdriver. Why you have to do this is because there is some sort of a sticky thing here, some sort of a glue, I don't know, the glue or tape. So you have to remove it, or otherwise you will have serious problems. And here on top of this, I don't know what they were doing, but we have to put this thing down. We have to peel it off until it's leveled proper. So here you have to align this thing proper, the wires, the antenna, you have to align them proper. Okay, and then this one come all the way here, then here, go all the way there. Okay, but there is a trick here. So the trick here is you have to glue this cord down, not too much, a little bit, and then before you glue it, we have to align the string. Otherwise, if you don't glue it, you won't be able to align it proper, and I will end up having an issue there. So what I normally do, I like to align this thing proper. Yes, there we go. So you align it like this, and then you take your glue. You don't use too much, just a little bit. You'll be fine. This is coupon. I like to put a little bit of it. I don't understand why it's not opening up, but what you can do is you can open this. Okay, put this aside. Let's see why this is not opening up. Okay, it's stuck. I'll show you how does it look. Stuck here. It came out. There we go. You put this thing back in, nice and safe. All right, so now let's secure that wire. Put a drop, not too much, just a drop. It's gonna, and then this one, you have to secure it as well. It needs to be aligned right there. You know why? It's because when you are putting back everything, the string bezel, it's so important to make sure that everything is aligned, or otherwise bezel won't close proper. You know the story. I've seen amateurs doing that. So you have to secure it. Okay, I hope you can see how I'm doing this. I don't want you to have some issues, some problems. And then here you have to align this wire to go all over the way here. You secure everything with a glue. Wire should come here, go straight there, and then go straight here. Secure this. Okay. I'm gonna show you the whole thing. Let's wait for it to dry. Meanwhile, you can remove the string because you don't want to damage the string, right? You have to remove the string. It's not nice to repair the hinge while the string is connected. String aside, good. Okay, it means this cable is need to align with this white paper. I think so, I'm not sure, but I'll do my research. Right, now we have to prepare this. This is bad, this is broken. So I think in this matter, we can just remove this complete. Okay, this is out. What about the other one? This is also broken. I believe this is flat, and then this piece belongs here. It belongs right here. And they did a terrible job. The person who was repairing these hinges did a mess. Okay, so now let me try again. Okay, this goes here, then here. Oh yeah, I'm right. It means here they did a real mess. Okay, this is out. So here, to make it flat, clean this whole place. All right, and then now let's connect everything into place. I believe this goes straight right here. But I think so. Okay, anyway, let's start with this hinge. You can see we're gonna have some challenge. Try it here. Okay. Looking for a screw. I normally use the screws there, but I'm gonna make sure that I have all the proper correct screws. All right, I have the screws. Let's see. Let's start here. Okay, it starts go through. What about the next one? Right, and then after this you put a glue all over. You have to support it with glue, otherwise it's gonna come out. All right, I have one screw. Let's see. I'm worried about this place. All right, anyway, here the screw won't align proper. So what I'm gonna do, we have to use a glue. Only one screw is holding the whole thing. Okay, there we go. This is Q bond. This is for plastics written there. Gray plastic surfaces. So this is for plastics. So what I'm gonna do, pour there, then you put all over where you'll be applying what? Applying a glue. We have to make sure that this is solid. Don't put too much, because if you put too much, the glue will only be on top. But here we want to make sure that the glue is even with the sand. There we go. Now we apply glue. Now we apply glue. Now we apply glue. Now we apply glue. Okay, that was number one. You repeat again. Number two, you put sand on top of the glue so that it's gonna hold proper. Let's put again. it. And then you put glue, 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 glue. All right, now let's go ahead. Let's put send on this side. All right, the glue is done, it's finished. There we go. The glue is gone. So now we have to align everything proper. This goes here. You know what? Let me go and buy glue. I'm coming back. But let's put this. Yes, I need to go and buy glue. I want to make this solid. I'm coming back.